I would highly recommend Sentry products. It's the #1 product, it's my go-to, and it's our first choice. It's called the Other Lucy Beach Grill. It's something I've been wanting to do for 15 years. In conjunction, we actually made the announcement of a nonprofit, HOPE, standing for Helping Others Pursue Empowerment. It's a training facility for special needs. Well, we're on the beach, so everybody wants ice cream. So everyone likes milkshakes. We do Sandstorm, which is a comparable blizzard per se to Dairy Queen. To explain that a little bit, to make that comparison, people love the twist, vanilla and chocolate. They just like soft ice cream. Well, we're using the equipment for soft serve. We have a lot of experience with Sentry products because of my sons working at Juniors and Sprinkles for 8 years, and I ran Sprinkles for about a season, and I became really familiar, and Sentry is the #1 product on the market. So it's really reliable, it makes a great product, and we love it. Yep. Angela's been great. We are really green. When we were at Sprinkles, we didn't do things the right way, so Angelo really took the time to explain the process. The cleaning process, we have mastered it after doing it for 3 times, but he's been really great. Very reliable. We have had no issues, and it's been awesome. I would highly recommend Sentry products. It's the #1 product, it's my go-to, and it's our first choice.